This video covers daily spray gun cleaning. For this cleanout, you will need a mixing cup for wasted material, a cleaning brush, blue shop rags, and a squeeze bottle full of lacquer thinner. As soon as you're done painting, the first thing you want to do is put a little bit of lacquer thinner in your gun and let it sit for a few minutes. After the lacquer thinner sat for a few minutes, go ahead and dump it out. The lacquer thinner sitting for a few minutes helps loosen all the remaining paint in your gun. Next, you want to remove the air cap. Then turn your gun upside down, holding it over the mixing cup. You're going to then insert the nozzle over the tip of the squeeze bottle. Once you do that, pull the trigger and then squeeze the liquid into the spray gun while rotating it slowly. You're going to do this until all the liquid runs clear. Once you no longer see any color coming out of the bottom of the gun, go ahead and pull the squeeze bottle off and put some lacquer thinner over the rest of your gun. Take your scrubbing brush and clean anywhere necessary. Then use a shop rag to remove any remaining paint buildup. Next, you want to inspect your nozzle to see if there's any paint buildup. If so, go ahead and put some lacquer thinner and wipe it clean. Rinse and repeat as many times that are necessary until the gun is completely clean. Next, you're going to clean your air cap. Cover with gun cleaner. Then use your scrubbing brush to break up any built-on paint. Rinse, wipe down, and then repeat as many times that are necessary until the air cap is completely clean. After everything's clean, go ahead and reinstall your air cap, and you're ready to put your gun back into use. Here's a couple extra bonus tips and tricks. If you use any of the 3M PPS systems, go ahead and fill it up with some lacquer thinner or gun cleaner. You want to fill it about a quarter of the way up the adapter. Then you can take one of the included plugs and put it over the top. This keeps any paint you may have missed from drying in your gun. The next tip is regarding these cleaning bottles. If you've had one before, you know they drip all summer long. One easy way to prevent this is to use a vacuum plug. Go ahead and slide it over the tip, and this will keep you from losing any material. The final tip is regarding these squeeze bottles. To get one to fit over your nozzle, just trim the tip until it just barely fits over it. This only works with a siphon style on the side. It does not work with a straw type. If you found this video informative and useful, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel and follow us across all social media platforms.